Hi all, welcome back. This is a continuation of our Holiday Inn Express and Suites tour video from Florida. Guys, we are in the lobby of the Holiday Inn. This is a nice place to sit. So here is the front desk. Right now there is nobody in there. We already checked in. And what you see there is a business center. It has 2 systems and some printer. You can actually sit here or like work on something. So this is the way to the elevator. One more table. And these are the rooms. They have an ATM machine as well. And this is the breakfast area. Right now we are in the evening, so we don't really have any breakfast serving at the moment. So here is 3 coffee machines, some hot water for tea, hot chocolate, cups and everything. And then they have a micro oven. And then they have a place to sit outside. And here we can actually sit and eat something or watch TV. Here is a Hershey.
Oh yeah, I'm making hot chocolate.
You're making hot chocolate for yourself?
My mom got hot water and then I put hot chocolate in.
Okay. Did you taste it?
No, I'm just like...
Okay, fine. Harshini is ready to jump in the pool. As soon as she sees the pool, she wants to change her costumes. And she is ready.
Yes, I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm going in there.
Okay, so let's show the pool from here. I don't think so I can show it from here. Let me go out. So this is a small pool. It's right next to the highway, so we can really hear a lot of noise. I'm inside the laundry room. This has a washer and a dryer. Both of them are coin operated. And if you see through the door, we are standing right opposite to the swimming. Let's go to the fitness room, guys. The fitness room has few treadmills, elliptical, weights, balls, bikes and much more. This is a close look of the pool.
I'm just gonna put my goggles on and I'm trying to take this. It's like getting loose and loose or something. Okay, so I'm gonna take my shoes out and I'm gonna jump in this pool. What was that for? I'm going wet.
Staying with us. Do hit the subscribe and like button. I will catch you up in Adventure Island, which is a water park, in our next video. Until then, it's bye from HMTV. Stay tuned.